Hi, a very good day. I will start my uh, presentations with a little bit of introduction of myself. So my name is SITI FATIMAH Az ZAHRA, but I personally prefer to be called as Emma. So I am a final year student taking game development course this semester. And I currently live in Johor Bahru and I was born here as well. Before I pursue my degree in Bachelor in Computer Graphic and Multimedia, I took a diploma in Computer Science in University Technology Mara. So now I will start with the flowchart rock, paper, scissors explanations. So this is the flowchart that I created for the rock, paper, scissors game. And the flowchart will start at the green colored shape, circle shape here, and will end at the oval shape, red colored here. So it will start by taking the data from player 1 and player 2 options. So player 1 and player 2 have three different options, whether they choose rock, paper or scissors. And then we go to the next step, which is the decision making. So if player 1 choose rock and player 2 choose scissors, if true, then player 1 will win. If false, we go to the next decisions making, which is whether player 1 choose scissors, if player 2 choose paper, and if it's true, then player 1 will win. Next, if false, then go to the next step. If player 1 choose paper and player 2 choose rock, then player 1 will win. If false, if we go to next step, which is if player 2 choose rock and player 1 choose scissors, if true, then player 2 will win. If false, we go to the next step. We check if player 2 choose paper and if player 1 choose rock. If true, then player 2 win. If false, then we go to next decisions checking, which is if player 2 choose paper and player 1 choose rock. If true, then the player 2 will win. If false, then it means that the both options for player 1 and player 2 are same. So it will draw, become draw. And then it will end. So next is the learning outcome from the previous lecture. This the first thing that I learned is about game consists of 4 elements, which is goal, interactions, obstacle, and rules. So to describe my understanding, I will share the snake game. So the goal for the snake game is actually for the snake to consume as much as possible the food or the chili here. And the interaction is the buttons that allows the snake to move left, right, or just go straight. And the obstacle is the grey wall as shown in the picture. And the rules, one of the rules for the snake game is the snake cannot overlap with themselves. Next thing I learned is game have several purpose, and the main purpose was for entertainment, but nowadays it can be productivity, educational, therapy, and more. To develop game require different rules. The first one is game design. So game design usually is the project manager who gives the main idea and also the person who manage the development. Next is game arts. So game arts is very big role. Uh, it can be a person who in charge of the music, background sound effect, or person who in charge with the illustrations, characters, props and concepts, or person who in charge for the animations, the cutscenes, the 2D and 3D. So for the 3D modeling and 2D modeling game cannot be mixed together. So if the game is 2D, then everything need to be in 2D. If the game is 3D, then everything needs to be in 3D. And last role is the game programmer. So this person in charge to program the mechanics, the rules, and the logics of the game. It's one of the most important role as well. And most of the time, the software used for game programmer is Unity or Unreal Engines. So that's it for me. Thank you very much.